Okay, to make an Adobe Spark Post, which is an infographic, it's a great tool for students to show what they've learned in a unit, or as the unit is going along, they create it as they go. So they want to come up here to the plus button to add something new, and they want to create a graphic. Now I already have one started, but once they create a graphic, they can make it from scratch. That's usually what I suggest. They choose the size or the style they want it to be. So I've chosen this style right here. Once they click on the style they want, they click next. And then they can just start adding photos. They can search for whatever topic they're learning about, and they'll get all kinds of information, all kinds of pictures, I mean. And these pictures then can be added in a grid. So they just start clicking on the ones that they want, and they can delete them later. This one's actually nice. So what I've done is I've done the same thing, and then once this one is the water cycle, once it's done, it'll have a type your text here. So I typed in water cycle. Each of my pictures explains a part of the water cycle. So this right here is rain. This right here is evaporation. So to add more text, you'll see right here, I just add text. So I can put evaporation, done, and move it to the bottom. Then I can create one right here for condensation. So I can go add text. Oops. Click enter. And there's condensation. I can put this one right here. And then this one is, I just got this one for runoff to quickly show that. So let's do runoff. Now, if I didn't like, so this one's really large, I can size it down. Can put it at the top. Now notice that it kind of isn't as easy to see. I can change the style of the color of the box. So right here I could change this one to this or this. Let's see which is going to be the easiest to see. Probably that one. So you can change the style. This is super simple, but just imagine all the different things that your students could use this for creating infographics. Or if you wanted to create an infographic and have the students study it, this is how you do it. It's pretty basic and pretty simple. Again, just like all the others, you could change the layout, resize it. You can share it right here to your Google Classroom for your students to have, or they could share it with you. Or you could download it. And at this point, why isn't it letting me download? Oh, it is downloading it right here. So you download it as a JPEG. I'm going to have a million of them now. And you could just keep this for future to use whenever you wanted, or it stays in your Adobe Spark account. So I'll show you right here. There it is right there. So again, this is just another way for students to show what they know, or for you to be able to put information in a different format and present it to your students. So let me know if you need any support with this. You know where you can find me.